morning, students. Today we are going to see the next topic, that is compression standards from 5th unit. So when we are saying about compression, first we want to see what is compression. When we are saying about compression is removing redundant data and reducing this data size for storing or for transmission purpose. So these compression standards, different types of compressions are there, whereas few are standardized by the standardizing agencies and developed by them, authorized by them. So which were detailed below, classified below. So initially the compression standards can be classified into two. Initially the compression standards can be classified into two. One is still images and another one is video. So in still images also we can divide the compression standards into two. One is binary and another one is continuous tone. So when we are saying about binary, here the compression is carried out directly on this spatial information of the image, whereas in continuous tone it is worked on the transformed image, that is the image is transformed and then from the analysis image on a frequency domain image, we will carry out the compression, we will carry out the compression coding. So this is a stage of two things, two different classifications in still images. There is in video, that is a sequence of images. There we will be having digital video. After that some standardized codecs by both two organizations, that is one is by International Telecommunication Union and another one is ISO. So these both organizations having different compression standards, that is ITU standards. When we are seeing H.261, H.262, 263, 264, like this the standardized codecs were released, and in ISO standardized compression standards, the series will be MPEG 1, 2, 3, 4. So in such a way the codec compression standards were framework. So when we are seeing one by one, CCT, actually CCITT, it is CCITT, which is developed by ITU Telecommunication. So this is for the initial stage of during fax communication. This has been introduced for transmitting binary documents over telephone lines. Here it supports one-dimensional, two-dimensional run length coding and Huffman coding. Two sort of coding algorithms were supported by this form compression standard and used in the initial state of fax communication. So next is CCITT group 4. This is an advanced version of CCITT group 3. So here we are supposed to use only 2D run coding, and it is a streamlined, when we are saying it is a streamlined version of CCITT. So next is JPIG. When we are saying about JPIG, the abbreviation is Joint Bi-Level Image Expert Group. It is standardized by ISO, IEC, ITUT. So all these standardizing agencies have standardized this. So here when we are seeing about this, here context sensitive arithmetic coding is used in the compression. So next, when we are seeing in JPIG2, it is an advanced of JPIG1. So here when we are saying JPIG2, here they are using content based method, compression method, dictionary based compression method. So that is content basis for text, dictionary based for off-tone region, and for other things they are using Huffman or arithmetic coding for image content. So like this in JPEG2 it has both lossy or lossless compression. It has both lossy and lossless compression codes are being used. So next, when we are saying about still image classification, that is we are seeing continuous tone classification. In that we will have JPEG series. In that we have JPEG series. When I say about the JPEG series, we can update a joint photographic export group. Here all the first initially it is transformed using some transformation, and then coding algorithm is carried out. In JPEG we have, when we are saying in transformation, we will use DCT transformation, and when we are seeing about coding algorithm, Huffman and run length coding algorithm is used. So when we are seeing about JPEG LS, that is lossless JPEG. So when we are seeing JPEG, it is a lossy compression. So in that lossless version is being used, JPEG lossless. So here almost lossless, near lossless standard. Here when we are seeing about compression coding, here they use adaptive prediction coding, context modeling, and Golem coding. So like this coding, this coding has been modified in JPEG. So next, when we are seeing about the next version is JPEG 2000. Here to improve the photographic quality, arithmetic coding and quantized discrete wavelet transform are used. So we have modified the initially we will use a DCT. Next they modified here they changed to DWT, and in coding they are using arithmetic coding. So next we can see about in video. When we are saying about in video, so first is digital video. It is standardized by IEC. It is standardized, and here when we are seeing about, it is a DCT based. In transformation they are using DCT, and in coding algorithm they will be using entropy based coding, some type of entropy coding like Huffman coding, arithmetic coding, like this some entropy based codings they will be using. So when we are seeing about H.261, this is also DCT based. It is also a DCT based. Enhanced video conferencing, enhanced two-way video conferencing is introduced here with the help of this H.261. So H.262 almost it is similar to MPEG 2, and when we are seeing about H.2, it is an enhanced version of H.261 which was developed earlier. And next, when we are seeing about H.261, this is improving the earlier versions, and we are seeing the same as such. They were using DCT and arithmetic coding, DCT and arithmetic coding for compressing. So next, when we are seeing about ISO IEC compression and codecs, so we will be having a series of MPEG series, that is motion picture expert group standardization. So almost similar, these codecs are almost similar to H.261. It is similar to, so it is almost the MPEG series, that is for storing the MPEG series, that is storing purpose. Daily focus is MPEG series almost focused on storing purpose, whereas for transmission purpose. So in that also various stages are MPEG and MPEG 2, MPEG 4, and in epoch for ABC codec, all these things are this. All these things are almost similar to H2.6 series, so it will be similar to H.26 series. So almost all these codecs were carrying out compression efficiently and effectively. So continuously we are having more series, that is AVS, HDV, MPEG, MJPEG series. So just like this various series can be introduced regarding video compression. So next we can see about one codec, that is correspond codec, and see about codec. Okay, in the next class.